Alright guys, I just unwire loomed this part, which plugs into the bottom of this thing, so that we can get it plug in the bottom of this thing without it covering here. Normally it wraps way back through here, under here, and then through this, and then goes back that way. So we just made it longer. That's going to save us. I was planning to cut it and add length to it. We don't have to now. Because I'm going to need to plug this thing in to actually run it, but I wanted this thing off to the side how it is. Alright, I re-wire harness the wire going to this clutch. Now I need to put back on the A-ring for it. Okay. Oh no, how am I going to put this on? I'm looking this up, man. I'm not going to try to figure it out. Oh? Wow, that doesn't look so hard. Okay. So, needle nose pliers. Well, let me give you a close up though. You need a close up. I got the E-ring. Just set loosely above it. It's that you can see it needs to be snapped down over the shaft. It's the metal thing in front of the green plastic. It's a little horseshoe facing down. So I'm just gonna snap that on now. I hope. First tie was a fail. I didn't get it because I had crud in my thumbnail. That distracted me. I don't like crud in my thumbnail. It messed me up. I don't work well with nasty stuff in my nails. Okay. These hours are well spent. I'm learning so much. Woo! Got him! Got him! Let me tell you, if I hadn't done this printer repair project, I wouldn't even know what an E-ring was. Alright. Success, baby. I also wouldn't have known what an electronic clutch is. I also wouldn't have been able to learn how solenoids work. Well, actually I knew how that worked, but hands-on, like using one. Goodness, I learned a ton. And I also got to learn a lot about how to professionally route wiring and stuff. And just the design of this thing has been a real eye-opener. The list of good things that have come out of this is endless. Alright, let me just put my webcam back onto my lamp. I don't think this thing's helping, quite frankly. It needs some mods before it's helpful. My lamp is still much better at being the webcam holder. You gotta pay to play, man. You're not gonna be a master at repairing electronics your first or second repair, especially if you're repairing a different type of electronic. I've already repaired mice before, but this is my first time repairing a printer. As I start repairing more and more electronics, I'll get faster. It's like a trial by fire. I'm learning as I go and adding a new skill to my tremendous skill repertoire. It's not like it's really something unrelated to what I'm trying to do. If I want to be a roboticist and build machines for automation, why not learn from the best? You know, a company like HP, this is their best team of engineers making a mainstream product that's very expensive. They go all out on it. Top quality, and I get to learn everything they know without going to school, just by reverse engineering and taking apart what they did and seeing what they did and understanding what they did and why. Okay, so we got the magnetic clutch reinstalled, baby. Hooah! That's what I'm talking about. That's big. That's progress. I'm going based on my video and I'm just playing it in reverse to see what I did. I have notation showing what I did, but I think the video is even better. I get to see exactly, step by step. Alright, so all the top belts of that board go in first, and then the bottom belt. That's the reverse order of what I just saw. So let's do that next. Dude, A laser printer is a robot. It's got microcontrollers, computer connectivity, sensors and motors, gears, pulleys, everything, wiring, intelligence. It is a robot. So is a car. I am a master of electrical engineering, but I can still learn other people's practices, which I don't know all of their practices. I know mine. And I can improve mine by noting how others did it and how mine might benefit from some of their solutions. You can be a master of something and still learn from time to time. The more mastery you have, probably the less you'll learn over time because you already know it all. I am a master of electrical engineering. I'm going to cut away this little piece of plastic here. I want to get this belt freed up more. So I'm using electrical side cutters to clip away some plastic that's retaining it. Okay, we should be able to remove this cable now. Yeah, boy! Okay, I just want to secure this box to the printer better so it's not just hanging by cable. I'm going to use a twist tie. Alright, we're making super good headway here. Now I need to install this wire in the bottom. Oh! Okay. Basically, I'm reversing all my steps to reassemble the printer and run some more test prints. With the things I know now, I think the test prints will tell me the information I need to make the repair. I still have not pinpointed exactly what's wrong yet. Still. But I know a lot more about how the pickup roller works, and I've tested all the components individually and exposed everything, and now I think that getting to the bottom of it is so much closer. I mean, we could have gotten to the bottom of it if one of the components I tested proved to be faulty. I would have fixed the component, we would have been done. But since none of the components were faulty, it remains to be seen what is actually faulty. Something with the PCB, I guess, now. So anyways, yeah, we're just reassembling it now. There was a lot of things we took off during the disassembly which did not need to be taken off. And that was the fault of the repair diagnostic manual that told me to take them off when I didn't need to. So anyways, peace out, guys.